Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we are doing another internet recipe that I found. It's taco casserole. It's got shredded potatoes, hamburger, uh, uh, diced tomatoes. sorry, sorry, my mind's going. Diced tomatoes, sour cream, and taco seasoning in it, and shredded cheese. Sounded really good, looked really good, so decided let's go ahead and try making it. So here we go. We're going to be taking this to a picnic pool for our tractor club, um, where everybody brings a covered dish. So we'll do a little cooking, taste test it, and hopefully everybody likes it. So here we go. Hey y'all, I'm sitting there editing this video after we went to our picnic pool, the covered dish deal. I'm thinking about calling it spicy cheesy potatoes instead of the taco casserole. Um, watch the video and let me know what you think. I had a lot of comments on it. Everybody loved it. There was very little left. You'll see how much is in the crock pot at the end there, but yeah, everybody was calling it spicy cheesy potatoes. So I think that's what we're going to call it. So, all right. Thanks a lot and enjoy the video. All right, y'all. Get this taco casserole going here. Like I said, I've never made this before, so we're going to go by the instructions we've seen on the internet. We're going to brown up 1 pound of ground beef, a medium onion, and we're going to add a couple tablespoons of minced garlic. So let me get this all browned up, and we'll bring you all back after we get that done. Alright, y'all. Got our hamburger all browned up. Added the onion and the garlic to that. That's about a pound of hamburger. So we got our crock pot here. We're going to add about 2 pounds of shredded potatoes. Yeah, a little bit more. There we go. This is a 4-pound bag, so I just got to kind of guesstimate. So got that. Now we're going to add to this half a cup of sour cream. About a half a cup. So clean our little scooper out there. Alright, got our half a cup of sour cream in there. And now we got a can of cheddar cheese soup. Gonna add that in there. Maybe. Or a little spoon at there. Get it to come out of the can. Now this is all per the instructions that I've seen, the recipe I've seen online. So you can tweak it however you want. Alright, there's that. Now, called for a can of diced tomatoes with green chili. I like the fire roasted ones. I think it has a little better flavor. And it said that with the juice. So I got that in there. And now we need 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Alright, I gotta open my bag of cheddar cheese. We'll bring you right back. Alright, y'all. Calls for 2.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I may have a little bit more, but you know, it ain't easy being cheesy, you know what I'm saying? And now we're going to add our hamburger. Okay, got our hamburger all added. Now we need a stirring device, which I just had a minute ago. A decent sized one. There we go. Okay. I don't know how well this is going to stir up, but I probably should have used my bigger crock pot, but we're going to a covered dish dinner, the tractor pulls, a picnic pool. It's where everybody brings a covered dish. They provide the main course and drinks and everything, but you just bring your favorite covered dish and share it with everybody. And well, so far this is looking pretty good. So all right. Oh, y'all, we forgot the main deal. Taco seasoning. How can you have a taco casserole without taco seasoning? Wouldn't be very taco-y if without taco seasoning, right? Alright. There. I was wondering why it wasn't smelling very taco-y. Alright, here we go. That looks and smells a whole lot better, y'all. Get all them goodies down in there. I still see some taters down on the bottom that aren't coated, but I'm sure that'll be alright. They'll alright, I think that's mixed good enough. Now we're going to put this on low and cook it for, they say, 2 to 3 hours, so that's what we're going to do. So after we cook it for a little while, we'll bring you guys back to see how it's turning out. Hey y'all, just want to do a little update. After we did our little taste test, I did end up adding like another cup and a half cheese. Just get a little more cheesy, kind of get it to bind together a little bit better. I think it'll be a lot better that way. So yeah, we'll find out when we get to the picnic pole. So if everybody eats it, it's good. If nobody eats it, I got lunches. All right, there you go. Now on to the taste test. All right, y'all. There you go. We got our taste test here. So we're gonna give her a little try. That's really good. Woo. That's got a really good taco flavor to it. Need to cook a little bit longer, but it'll cook when we get down there. But yeah, that is delicious. I really like this one. Super easy to make. So, all right, there you have it, y'all. Y'all need to try this one. So, we're gonna get on the road, get down to the tractor pulls, and then enjoy some really good food from a whole bunch of different people. And so, it's gonna be a great day. Appreciate y'all, love y'all, and as always, bon appetit. Like, comment, subscribe.